Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm doing a nail remover and preparation. These nails I had them for 2 weeks already, and you can see there is no lifting, there is no pop off, everything looks okay, is in place, only the growth is there, which is normal. So I will do this nail removal and I will use different techniques and we'll see how it's going. What I did on my right hand, I used the builder gel from M-Share, pinky white, and I'm planning to use the same on my left hand. If you like my channel, just follow, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I'm posting new videos. Now, as I said in this video, I want to use again the builder gel pinky white. It's not looking great, it's not applying great, but I think I'm doing something wrong because it should be more smooth. So I'm starting first by removing the gel color with the ceramic bead. I use it at 30,000 RPM speed. This is the medium grit. I use this fan, this dust collector, that is very good because it's not spreading dust everywhere, and I use as well a mask while I'm doing this removal for any dust particles to not come in my nose. The removal part is very easy, and I've been showing you in many of my videos where I'm doing preparation how to remove nails and how to hold the drill and which speed I'm using and what type of bits I'm using. So you can see them all over again. I'm using different bits, but today I choose this medium grit. There are more drill bits that you can use for nail removal. I want to mention that this set I have it for 4 months. I'm just doing refill on refill. And you know that if you are watching my channel, you will know that I'm usually having like 2-3 new sets per year, and the rest are just refillings. Now I'm using this sanding bit that is at 150 grit, and I use it at 10,000 RPM speed or 7,000, just to remove any lifting and to smooth the nail. I will do the cuticle area. This drill bit, I have it from Stalex. Is the diamond one for fine grit for cuticles. It will lift the cuticles and remove any excess. It's working very well. I'm using it at 5,000 RPM speed and works very well. Yes, I really like this bit. You can find it anywhere, but I bought it from Stalex because it's a trusted brand, and I have more tools from the Stalex and all are great. I'm doing now the cuticles in reverse motion. I use this even if I'm using it on my left hand. I find it easier if it's in reverse. I can lift the cuticle as much as I want. Be careful every time with diamond bits, if they are too pointy, to not go too deep under cuticle and to hurt yourself. So just be very careful. I do this on all my nails, and if you want to see also other videos I have in my playlist how I do nail prep, and you can see different drill bits that I'm using for cuticle area. All the time I'm using diamond bits. These are meant for cuticle areas. With this drill bit, you have just to remove all the cuticle that is stuck on the nail plate. If any cuticle is left there, it will cause lifting. This is another drill bit that I have it from Stalex, is the ball diamond bit in fine grit, and I use it to trim the cuticles. I just trim them a little bit. So this means that I don't need to use the cuticle nipper too much or not at all. It will as well smooth the skin around cuticles. You can use it as a polisher. Now I'm using the ceramic bit that is medium grit. I'm using it to remove a little bit of lifting that is there from gel. The gel that I have on my nail is the non-stick hand gel from Born Pretty, and this is a little bit harder to take off. You need to use only a very thin layer, and it's hard enough so it will not be removed that easily, but it is removable, of course. It's a good one. You can see videos in my playlists, different videos I made with this non-stick hand gel. Now, as I can see here on these two nails, is a little bit cutted, so I just remove it. I remove both of them, and in the same video we are doing refill and we are doing extension. So it's good to see both methods. Now I just thin out and remove more product because I want to do a new nail. And I will use the non-stick hand gel, as I said. We will see how it's going as well in this video. I don't need to remove all the gel from the nail plate. I can still let one layer there for protection because I'm adding another extension. But if there is any lifting, like it's shown here, I have to remove it. Surely you don't have to force it as I'm forcing it, but I don't have too much patience now. So I just force it a little bit, and now I'm removing any lifting. When I'm using this drill bit, I'm trying to use it only on gel, not on the natural nail. This ceramic bit is not for natural nail. I shape the nails just a little bit. I don't need to make them too short. Now I use the primer bond where I have natural nail. And base coat. I cured the base coat for 30 seconds under LED lamp. And we'll do first the extension for these two nails. After that, we'll do the refill. For extension, this is the non-stick hand gel from Born Pretty, as I said, the clear one. They have many other colors and shades if you want. You can check their website. You can go in the description link, in the description below, and you can check it out. All the items that I'm using are listed there. I just take a small amount and place it on the nail tip. And after that on the nail. I make sure I smooth it out. When I'm happy with it, I'll just place it on the nail. Make sure your hands are sanitized and you are having isopropyl alcohol on your nails, on your fingers, so it will smooth easily. And it will not get contaminated by natural oils on your fingers. I just place it on the nail. I don't tap it too much, just a little bit, but I can see here that is not enough and the nail was not equal. So I place another bit. You can mold it as much as you want. It will not cure until it's under LED lamp. It's something like polygel, but only that you are molding it with your hands, and that's all, no brush needed. So I just tap it a little bit, and after that I'll tap the other one, and I can go under LED lamp for 60 seconds. Make sure whenever you are going under LED lamp, you are closing the gel to not get cured by the light. I remove the nail tip, and now it's cured. I just have to shape it. I remove here the excess because I make it a little bit bulky. So I'll just try to smooth it out. It's not sticky at all, so I don't need to use the isopropyl alcohol after removing the tips. It's very easy, you just shape it and finished. Now I'm doing the other two nails. I'm using the base gel, and I will use rubber base gel now. This rubber base gel, I have it from M-Share. You can find it on AliExpress. The link is in the description below for AliExpress. I just place one thin layer and after that a big bubble that I let it go down easily with the brush. It is self-leveling, and after that I just make it smooth with an art brush. When I'm happy with it and is equal enough, I cure it for 30 seconds. Make sure you are cleaning any excess from the sides, so it will take less time after that. Rubber based gel, it is liquidy, so if you are keeping it too long and you are moving your finger too much on the sides, it will drop on the side, on that side, so just work fast with it. Do not change the shape. Rubber base, you cannot place it on all 10 nails and on all 5 nails and after that put it under LED lamp. Goes nail by nail. Same thing I'm doing on this finger also. I'm using this brush to make sure that it has rubber base on the sides and that is not too bulky at the end of the nail. I cure it for 30 seconds. What I like to do after using rubber base is that I use this base coat over it just to remove that sticky layer. Rubber base gel is very sticky, and if I don't use the nail polish immediately, the gel polish, I prefer to put a base gel and cure it. This is the final look, and in my next video we will do the design for these nails. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.